This primer boosts lash volume and length.
You're probably watching this video thinking, hang on, she's got fake lashes on this eye, but she's forgotten to put them on this eye. And if you're thinking that, I've got to say you're wrong, because there is no fake lashes in sight. What I've actually used is this. It's called Code F.F.L and it's a pre-mascara primer. Now Code F.F.L stands for Forget Fake Lashes. And if you've struggled with putting fake lashes on before, but you really want that really voluminous look, then this primer makes achieving that look really, really easy and quick. There's no glue in sight, there's no tricky fingers in sight. It is so simple. Best of all, this primer works with every single mascara you already own. It really gives it a super boost like you wouldn't believe. I hope you love the effects as much as I do.